you all for the mini civic for the City Level Fest Mumbai.
Today, I and some of my friends are here to represent a project aimed to change the city. According to this project, we have measured the road and interviewed the people. After interviewing the people, we have realized that people are really facing many problems, and it encouraged us to do the project with more enthusiasm. Thank you.
Next is the project. In the first page, we have the title of our project, Unchanged by City. Next, we have the name of our school, Air India Modern School. Next, we have the name of our school, Air India Modern School, and then we have the name of our group. We are tend to change our group. Next, we have the index, which contains the name of our group members, the objective of the study area, the concept of the introduction to the concept of urban planning, the measurement, the introduction to the concept of urban planning, the measurement of the road above and below the road, the surveys analyzing the problem, the feasibility and solution, the letter to the corporator, and letter to the corporator, the jingles, charts, and last we have is the time.
Next is our group members. Kirti Moili, Sejal Sharma, Noora Pirzada, Neha Sharma, Kajal Jaiswal, Payal Pawar, Akansha Sunavne, Nandini Anna Reddy, Kirti Pawar. Thank you.
Next we have objective of the study and choice of the study area. First, we have to create awareness among the people. Next, to develop the study as well as the society, to unite the people, request and write the letter to the corporation.
Then we have the introduction to the bound. Introduction to the concept of urban planning. People are not aware of their own city. We have to make the project to create awareness among the people. The first thing we should keep in our mind is sustainability. The lowest damage to the ecology, the least damage to the ecology, the lowest possible population is from treat people equally.
Measurement of the road. Our road name is Kalina Kulla Road, length 200 meters with 3.48 meters.
Next, we have above and below the road. Above the road, we have speed breakers, 3 street lights, 4 stewages, 56 waterfall, 3 internet, 15 electric poles, 10 bus stop, 2 chalk 1.
Next we have service. First the Sugna Chicken Shop. Name Mr. Arif Sayyed. Problem pipe leakage and pipe leakage and wastage of water. Second saloon. Name Mr. R.P. Diaz. Problem no zebra crossing on the road. Third, Mahalakshmi Hardware Shop. Name Mr. Vinod Vittal. Problem vendor sitting in front of the shop. Fourth, vegetable vendors. Name Mr. Ravi Shankar Shivalu. Problem the hardware shop owners throw all the waste articles in front of the carts. Fifth, fruit vendor. Name Mr. Rafiq Ahmed. Problem parking. Sixth, Ashirwad Aquarium Center. Name Mr. Rajesh Rajput. Problem damaged road. Mayur Jewelers. Name Mr. Nirmal Kumar. Problem
Problem: drainage system not clean. Khane's Juice Center. Name: Mr. Kante Pune. Problem: mosquitoes. 11 Athenic Kitchen. Name: Mr. Madhav Bhairav. Problem: parking. 10th Pankaj Jain. Name: Mr. Pankaj Jain. Problem: parking. 11th Mahesh Jewellers. Name: Mr. Vijay Kothari. Problem: parking. 12th Rajasthan Furniture. Name: Mr. Suraj Rajput. Problem: parking. 13th Damaged and polluted road. Name: Mr. Rina Mehra. Problem: road not clean and proper. Bus stop. Name: civil line. Problem: people rushing together and towards in the bus. This is our bar graph, pie graph. This many zebra crossing. This many people have problem of zebra crossing, and in lieu garbage problem. This many people have garbage problem, and in red damaged road. This many people have damaged road problem, and drainage problem in yellow drainage problem. This many people have drainage problem.
We, according to the project, have measured the road and interviewed the people living there. After interviewing the people, we have analyzed the problem. Faced by the people because of the road. The problems are parking problems, zebra crossing, sewage problem. Sewage problem, drainage problem, damage road, mosquitoes, vendors. Thank you.
We, the students of Air India Modern School, have proposed certain solution of the problems faced by our community people. First, damaged road. Second, parking problem. Third, zebra crossing. Fourth, garbage. Fifth, drainage and sewage problem. Sixth, mosquito.
Feasibility of solution. Many accidents take place because there is no footpath constructed properly. Everywhere the road is damaged. This problem is faced mainly by the adults. So, we will try to make zebra crossing and even traffic signals for the proper running of vehicles. One of the biggest problems people face is the garbage problem. People fall ill facing diseases like dengue, malaria and even chikungunya. Because of breeding of mosquitoes near the garbage, people living near face many diseases. Actually, it's the duty of the people to take a pledge to keep the city clean. Oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho, oh ho 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 ho, oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho. Here is the rush, there is the rush. What is happening with us? Yes, someone falls from the bus. Oh ho 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 ho. What is the rush? Rush, rush, rush. A big rush. The place is less, but population more. In the bus, outside the bus. Oh ho ho. Rush, rush, rush. What is the rush? Not to be understood by us. With the rush, along the rush, the world is going on and on. With the rush, along the rush, the world is going on and on. The world is going on and on. Our experience.
Next is our experience. We say that experience is a great teacher, and we have come over such experience that really made us teach something to the people. Our experience as a group was great. Through this, we came across different problems of the stakeholders of the road. We interviewed different people asking their problems and tried to give them solutions for their problems. The experience of the whole project we did was interesting, and we will try our best to help the people.
Attention teachers and students. There will be recess for standard 10th, 9th and 10th at 10:15. And standard 5th and 8th will leave at 10:15.
Save trees or provide for every man's need, but not for every man's greed. Next is save water. Save water, it will save you later. Next is save environment. A green planet is a
green class. Teacher is not in the class. The teacher who has a PhD.
Let history repeat itself on horsebacks and bullock carts. Save fuel. Next we have our thanks. When at first we came to know about the project, we were very excited to do it. It was like a dream come true for all of us. Through this project, we got a chance to get out of our homes and help the society. So, thank you, Balajinder.
And this is our group. Our group leader is Chinmay Gode, Kaustubh Landge, Nishant Kamble, Akash Tomre, Harsh Kundale, and myself, Mandar, are his helpers.
Excuse me, Mandar, come this side and then come this side.
The concept of urban planning. First, most of the cities are overpopulated and congested. So we need proper town planning, namely road, water supplies, drainages, parks and gardens, public transport and affordable housing. Unfortunately, in India, except Chandigarh and New Delhi, no city is properly planned according to the above factors. People came to the city for their livelihood and they didn't get affordable housing, so they stay in suburban areas.
Objectives of study and choice of study area. In our daily basis, the road is used because there are many shops on the road. The construction work is complete, but the material is not taken out by BMC. There is a garden on the road and the place where pigeons are fed. When more people came on the road and parked their cars in no parking zone, a nuisance is created.
This is our poster of environment. If we will save the environment, we will save the world.
This is our slogan, make it green and keep it clean.
Our road. This is our road that we have chosen for the project.
From point A to point B, it is 400 meters.
This blue line you are seeing is our road.
Save the environment, save the world is our slogan.
This is water used worldwide.
This is the scheme of rainwater harvesting. We can use this plan in our daily basis.
Dead pigeons on our road near pigeon's house.
Save water, save earth is our poster. If you save the water, you will save the earth.
Plant a tree and add a new friend in your life. If we plant a tree, we will add a new friend and we will get oxygen by it.
This is our poster, Green Planet.
Keep calm and save energy.
There is a pigeon house in our road. Many pigeons dies accidentally in it. There are stalls, stray dogs and vehicles parked on the footpath, so people can't walk. And the work had been over there by BMC, but the material had been not left by them.
This is our end of slide. Thank you.
Now we have a skit.
Before the skit, you have any charts that demonstrate your...
Yeah.
I explained that. You propose
my city.
This is a chart of our proposed road. We have
No, not the first proposed road. Tell us the problem at the road, the existing road.
existing.
We don't have the existing. Okay.
Sir, teacher, we will build.
Once again, just leave off that chart. That's the chart.
We will build.
Friends, come friends.
We will build your public toilet. We will build your public toilets, wet and dry garbage. And this is the chart of above the road and below the road. Above the road there are street lamps, house, apartments, and below the road there are internet lines, cable lines, and sewage pipes. While doing the survey.
While doing the survey, we have met the corporator and this is the skit of that corporator meeting.
Good morning, sir. We are the students of IS New English School from Bandra East, from Standard 8 and Division E1. This is our group. Our group leader is Chinmay, Kaustu, Nishan, Akash, and myself Mandar are his helpers.
Sir, I have a question. What are the problems you are daily facing on this road? People tell me that the major problem is there are stray dogs, vehicles like motorcycles, cycle, cars and many other things and stalls, so people can't walk on the footpath.
So I have one question. What are you saying about the cleanliness on the road?
Oh yeah, now only I will tell the corporation that they will make two bins, one of wet garbage and one of dry garbage, and you will also make it clean.
Sir, my third question is, what is your message to the children who live in this world?
My message to children who live in this world is make it green and keep it clean. If you make it green, you will keep it green. Nice to meet you.
As we all are well aware that Navi Mumbai is a well-planned city displaying broad roads, efficient drainage systems, spacious grounds and so on. So the problems that we encounter here are a little different than the suburbs of Mumbai. Our group worked on the problems of the off-Palm Beach Marg Road. The problems that we identified within our vicinity are unsystematic parking of vehicles on both sides of the roads, irregular collection of garbage, and uncovered potholes. Now I would like Sakshi to speak upon urban planning.
Urban planning. Urban planning is nothing but planning and development of cities. More and more people are coming and settling in the cities for employment, thus increasing the population. In this increasing population, proper planning of city is crucial to ensure, meet the need of every human being and to ensure that every human being are using the resources efficiently. A proper planning of city is needed. Thank you. Now I call upon Samiksha for the objective of studying.
A city is a geographical unit with its inhabitants and the ways of life connected to one another in direct or indirect ways. The main aim of our project is to create awareness among the people and to make everyone aware what are the problems near us and their solutions.
Oh, did you hear that noise? that we identified was parking. The residents who did not have parking inside the premises parked their vehicles on both sides of the road. I am proud to say that our group met the secretaries of various societies who in turn requested the residents to park their vehicles on one side of the road, thus allowing free flow of traffic. This is our road. We all love to keep our homes spick and span. But how often are we concerned with keeping our neighborhood clean? During the survey, we came across various societies who were throwing garbage outside the buildings, and the people had to cover their faces to avoid the stinking smell. We came up with a solution to this by distributing pamphlets to create awareness and ensuring the collection of garbage, regular collection of garbage and garbage inside the bins. We also spread the message of collecting wet and dry garbage separately, as dry garbage can be recycled and reused in the future. Human safety at times is taken for granted by our governing bodies. This is seen in the way the manholes are kept open after cleaning the underground pipelines. We have heard various incidents of children and adults suffering severe injuries. Our group met the cooperator of Navi Mumbai, who took up the matter with a great deal of concern and interest and sent his workforces immediately to cover the potholes and manholes. We now have Bhumika, who will share our learning experience during this project.
On behalf of my group, I would like to share our experience regarding this project. We all loved the experience doing this project. We all got to know that doing this project, we can solve all the problems that we face living in a city. It is very essential. We all tried and worked hard for our city. We met the cooperator and distributed pamphlets, and the people realized that we should solve our problem very soon. We are glad to be the part of this project. Thank you.
These are the charts made by us. This is a letter written to the cooperator. Now, we end our presentation with a small jingle written by us.
Once again, we don't have the present road, the chart of the present road and the future road. Your solution proposed.
Actually, they're in the file.
So you should also have one like that. You were supposed to. Okay.
This is a jingle written by us.
And change the city's face. Let's make it ornamental and fill it up with grace. So come on everybody, let's begin the chase. It will change our country's face.
As a student of Tirupura High School, I want to present our presentation. This is existing road of Mahakali Caves. This is existing road of Mahakali Caves
Caves Road. While we are going to do survey, we found that the road is in very poor condition. There is 2 dustbins, but the people throw garbage out of the road. The public toilets are not maintained properly. There are no zebra crossing and there are no speed breakers. There are 2 schools, Holy Family and Guru Nanak High School. Nearby Holy Family, it has a broken footpath, and near Guru Nanak, it has a bus stop. But the bus stop is very close to the footpath. The common people can't walk properly. These are the problems faced by the people. Thank you.
As you have seen in the existing road, this is the proposed road of the Mahakali Caves Road. There were no zebra crossing and speed breakers. So there's a zebra crossing. On the zebra crossing, there is speed breakers, and the street lights were opposite to each other, and the street lights were not working properly, and then accidents were formed. So we have given the street lights at the beginning of the road at the divider side, and there were no footpaths, and footpaths were there but they were not maintained properly. So we have given the footpath at the center of the road. And the garbage which was not collected properly, so we have given the 2 separation of garbage, the wet garbage and the dry garbage, and there are 2 trucks are coming for the both of the garbage bin, one for dry and one for wet. So and beside the temple there was toilet, and the dirty water was coming. So we have removed the toilet from there and put it at the near to the shops, and there was a PMC dirt of construction which was not removed, and we have removed that and put there a toilet. And this is and the school, and near the Guru Nanak school there is a bus stop which is very closely to it. So we have separated it, and this is another channel.
So urban planning. Urban planning means we should plan our city better. It means we need proper transportation. We should build hospitals, schools, theatres, local markets, etc.
And while planning a city or a town, we should not forget our environment. We should take care of our birds and animals, and we should provide them shelter.
Survey. Above and below the road. Above the road, metro flyover and hotels, banks, Sai Palace, Business Square and Bajaj Alliance. Below the road, water supply, cable connection, telephone lines, electricity supply and drains.
And measurement. The length is 217 meters, and width we have measured at the 3 points A, B and C. Point A there is 3 meters and point B 10. Point A there 10 meters and point B the measure is 15, width is 15 meters, and at point C the measure is 11 meters.
Survey. Edit 7, page 29. Problems: no safety and security of our shops, no toilet facilities. Problems: to place CCTV cameras above the road, nearby toilets facilities which convenient for us.
Pawan Jain, age 29. Problem faced: all ladies from the adjoining area comes and throw garbage outside the dustbin. Solution: teach the ladies about the jails and canage sanitations in order to keep road clean.
Mamta Jain, age 39, constituted as housewife. Problem with the quality of the road.
To take away the garbage twice a day daily. group and other grounds and other amusement parks nearby the house.
Aarti Singh, age 21, problem faced. Roads are blocked during festivals and wedding season. Solution: different route to made available for all this procession.
Problems: too much traffic on the road, no zebra crossing, no speed breakers, big potholes on the road, no proper cleanliness on the road, no proper separation of garbage, wet and dry.
Traffic signals should be developed. Zebra crossing should be there. Speed breakers should be there. Potholes should be filled. The road should be cleaned every day. No garbage bins should be kept for wet and dry garbage.
Now we have a skit.
Goodbye.
Of Mahakali Caves Road. There are two street lights on the road. One is working and the other one is not. Near one of the street light there is a dustbin. Prince is in his car and is cursing the government and is moving very slowly.
Oh my God, what a big pothole. Why is the government still sleeping when they will do the actual work of the road?
Same time, two sisters Anju and Manju walking on the road.
Oh my God, Anju, see the pothole.
See the dust and the dirt is lying on the road.
How can we cross the road?
The thief was hiding behind the street light.
The thief always took advantage of non-working light.
My God, help, help, my purse, help, somebody help.
What happened? What happened?
The thief took my purse and ran away.
Let's go behind him and catch the thief. Oh no, banana peel. People throw it anywhere.
Give me, I throw it in dustbin. Get up. Are you okay?
Yes. Let's go behind him.
Few people ran behind the thief, but they are not able to catch the thief because the road is not proper and there are so many potholes. The dirt is scattered on the road everywhere.
That is the actual thing. Citizens are least bothered about the condition of the road, as we are not responsible, but we have to play a role for an active, alert and responsible citizen.
Now we have a song. We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition. All we want, all we want, all we want is
Street light. No more accidents.
no more accidents,
No more theft.
no more theft,
No more accidents.
no more accidents,
No more theft.
no more theft.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition. All we want, all we want, all we want is
Hygiene, proper health and proper hygiene.
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 We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition.
We want road with better condition. All we want, all we want, all we want is
Public toilets, no more potholes.
no more potholes,
No more dirt.
no more dirt,
No more potholes.
no more potholes.
project I Change My City. In this project we have learned many things about how we can change the city. Our team members, Ms. Anjali Badrapal, will say some few lines on concept of urban planning.
Concept of urban planning. It is important to understand that the advantage of city life cannot be said to be fully absent in any city. Urban planning put simply is preparation of plans for wide-ranging and development of land or space in and our city by focusing on all-round development of the people living in the city and in the area closely linked to it based on both their present and future needs. Proper planning of the city has its forms and has it grow its necessary condition to avoid several socio-economic problems in the future. There is doubt that implementation of the plans and enforcement of the related rule is just as important as to how we maintain our city and surrounding clean and hygiene. Now we are going to present a skit.
Urban planning means there should be proper space around the buildings, there should be parking area for vehicles, and everything should be there. Whatever the people need facilities, it should be given by government. The people also should cooperate with the government, and the government should cooperate with the people and look on the road, whatever the changes are happening, whatever the problem is there, the people should see there, and this much extra. This is above the road. Above the road is shops and shops, buildings and etc. Down below the road, storm water drainage, sewage water drainage, water supply, electricity supply.
This is our road map. In this, there is a measurement of road. The width is 16 meter and somewhere it is 14 meter and its broad is 300 meter. This is our survey. In our survey, we have introduced, but this is Mr. Amol. They have given us problem about garbage and water wastage. For garbage, there is different diseases spreading.
This is Mrs. Anita. She has given our problem that there is illegal parking on the road. This is Mr. Chaya. She has given our problem that there is noise around on the road.
He is Mr. Gaikwad. He told us that he has a problem of noise pollution around the road.
This is the principal of the Gurukul tuitions. They said about the noise pollution about the road. That because of that, they could not teach the students properly.
This is Mrs. Mary. She told the problem that the footpaths are not proper. The footpaths are broken. Near the footpaths there are open drainage, so people could not walk properly.
Garbage, medium. There is medium size of garbage, but because of that, the diseases spread and mosquito also spread. So to stop this, there should be two parts of garbage, wet and dry. So the people may throw in wet, dry garbage. so that people also may cooperate and government also may cooperate. This is large size of garbage. There is one is medium and other one is large. There is more there because of the traffic jams also happens. So to stop this, the government also should do something for that. Water wastage. People throw water on the road and the pipes are also broken, open drainage. So the government should close the drainage and the people also should not throw water on the road. So the water wastage will not happen. Not enough street light on road. There are not enough street light because somewhere it is near, somewhere it is far, somewhere it is medium, somewhere it is proper. So that light is not proper. There is no safety at night, especially for girls. They are not able to move out of their house because of this is light of shop. So that only shop light is there. That's why the light you can see, or the street light are not properly on or off. Safety. There is no safety. Bus accidents happen and the people go down the bus and the accidents occur. Total graph. Our major problem is garbage, second is water wastage, third safety, fourth electricity. This is our proposed road with solutions. We have put zebra crossing, more street lights, parking lane, signals, and all the people, so the people may cross the road properly and there will be safety at night also. Thank you.
First, show your cards.
I change my city.
Just stand straight.
Our existing road, it has open drains, garbage, large garbage, medium garbage, water wastage and no divider, not enough street light also. There are no more trees also. Only footpath is provided only one side and not other side. Our proposed road, we have put in divider, zebra crossing, parking lane, street light and both side footpath so that the people may walk properly and they can, whatever the facility they have. This is above and below the road. Above the road is shops, street lights, trees, and below the road is sewage water drainage, storm water drainage, water supply, cable wire, internet wire, etc. Our major problem is garbage. People throw garbage on road because of the diseases spread and people are not able to breathe properly. Water wastage. Water wastage is water leakage, drainage spill, mosquito growth, industrial effluent. Industrial effluent means there are auto garages, so the garage may throw all water on the road because of that water wastage increases, and open drains means all water come out of the drains. There is not enough street light. See here, only this much light is going in middle, there is no light. So the people are not able to walk properly and the thief also can do anything to the people. There is no safety. Buses are coming and people are crossing like this only road and there is accident happening. So the people should cross properly the road. Our jingle is आओ हम तुम मिलकर हर रास्ते और चौक पे हरे भरे पेड़ लगाएं, शहर को हरा भरा बनाएं।
आओ हम और तुम मिलकर शहर की स्वच्छता बढ़ाएं और आओ तुम और हम मिलकर रक्त अभियान चलाएंगे, बीमार पीड़ितों की मदद करके इंसानियत दिखाएंगे।
आओ हम मिलकर पानी के बूंद बचाएंगे, जल ही जीवन है यह सबको पता है।
आओ तुम और हम मिलकर अपंग पीड़ितों को रास्ता पार कराएंगे।
आओ तुम और हम मिलकर कल के भविष्य के लिए एकता बनाएंगे, कल के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए संगठित रहेंगे।
Our skit is और रोहित और गणेश, कैसे हो तुम?
मैं तो ठीक हूँ, तुम्हारी बताओ।
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। तुम्हारे दिवाली की छुट्टी का होमवर्क तो बाकी होगा ना?
हाँ बाकी है।
मेरा भी बाकी है। मनोज का आज सवेरे में मुझे फोन आया कि तुम्हारा बाकी, तो मेरे घर पे सब आ जाओ, सब मिलकर करेंगे। क्यों ना चले उसके घर?
हाँ चलो चलो।
अरे गणेश, कैसे गिर गए तुम?
देखो ना, किसी ने केले उसका छिलका गिरा दिया।
अरे किसी ने केला में उसका छिलका गिरा दिया। अरे वो देखो भीड़ कैसी।
अरे इसका तो एक्सीडेंट हो गया है।
चलो इसे हॉस्पिटल ले चलो। चलो चलो। हमारे रोड पे बिल्कुल भी सुरक्षा नहीं है। सरकार भी इसके लिए कुछ नहीं करती, तो हमें ही कुछ करना होगा।
चलो चलो, मनोज हमारा इंतजार कर रहा है।
चलो उसके घर पे ही चलते हैं।
चलो।
थैंक यू।